Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I've done several videos on how to remove the white background from an item, but this one's a little bit different because there's two layers to contend with. So I've set this thing is huge, it's the customer center. I did change the name, so not to infringe on to protect the innocent, but it's 55 inches, so I've set my nudge factor on 56. I'm gonna move that out of the way, and I'm gonna left click, right click, and then I'm gonna move this out of the way and move it down, and I'm gonna left click, right click. Now, before I do that, this is a color, and what we can do is take a rectangle. Don't really have to do that. Take your Smart Fill tool and get your eyedropper and go test that color and then fill it in right there. So you've got that color, which I've already got for the epilogue, but I'm gonna left click, right click, and then I'm gonna take these white lines and I'm gonna left click, right click. So I'm going to put this here, and I'm gonna take my word and nudge it out of the way, and I'm gonna fill this in with black. And then I'm gonna take this and do the same thing with these shapes and fill this in with gold. So we can, remember we got gold there. If we hadn't already saved it, just get your eyedropper tool and grab it and then put it in there. Now we're gonna nudge it back up, and we're gonna go to Object, Order, Back a Page. Didn't really work. Let's see here what's going on. Let's nudge this out of the way. This is 55.53. You know what? It might be the yellow box is causing me trouble. There we go. There's what the logo looked like originally, I believe. And we'll just nudge the name back over and go to Object, Order, and put it to the front of page. So there's our logo without any white background on those two slots. There we go. I hope it helped them a little bit, and thank you for watching.